Here's one more clip of the Rengoku speech just to test the speakers and the video again. And it's only fair to show the same scene on the Tank Force screen to get a comparison of how different the screen looks from the projector.
If you are feeling disheartened, that you are somehow not enough, set your heart ablaze. Overcome your limits. And anyone who does that is a rightful member of the Demon Slayer Corps. I will see my duty fulfilled, no matter what it takes. No one shall die here! Mr. Rengoku!